believe I can fly.
Welcome back, X-Men, to day 6 of Vlogmas. Today we're going to try these hot chocolate bombs.
Chocolate bombs.
I could touch the sky.
We never tried these. This would be our first time trying them, so...
You're talking like a robot.
I'm not trying.
XM.
I
need for y'all to get over here and go click that video. We need way more views than that. Then click this video. Then click this video. And then while you at it, just go through the whole list.
Right.
Go right here.
We only got 70 videos.
Go to play all.
Okay.
Now, back to the hot chocolate. So, from the directions, my understanding, they put it.
I'm not bad.
Stop singing.
You put the bomb in a cup and you pour the hot milk on top of it.
Hot milk on top.
And it's supposed to dissolve, from what I know. Let's get into it.
Alright, let's go.
I'm going first.
XM, y'all gonna get a double upload today.
I put my milk in.
Oh, we can just tear it?
You supposed to put the bomb in.
I thought she was supposed to put it in after.
No,
If you were paying attention.
How much sense does that make?
That's what the video I saw on TikTok do.
Okay, well, read the directions. What do it say?
It says unwrap chocolate bomb and place into mug. And then it says pour 8 ounces of hot milk slowly over the chocolate bomb and stir with it and watch it dissolve.
Oh, Lord. Hold on, let me go get the spoons.
That's what it'll look like.
Will it fit?
Yeah. Sounds like a little rattlesnake. No, we don't want no baby spoon. You gonna crack it, Diane?
Did I crack it though? Did I crack it though?
Sound like you did.
Yeah, it sound like you said.
If y'all haven't noticed, Darian hair has been cut off.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah.
I went to go get the
She will be
spoon.
the person that take the longest.
Well, you going first. One of y'all going first anyway.
I am.
I'm gonna put this on my teeth.
Okay, so the instructions are to slowly. Let's just pour it on that fly. I think the milk got too warm.
Nothing is happening.
Oh, it got soft.
You gonna break it?
Oh, that's all I'm gonna try to do.
That defeat the purpose.
Something's happening.
Oh, the bomb.
That sound like Dan on the toilet.
You sound great.
I didn't even do anything.
What happened? Oh,
It'll dissolve.
you
It
going next?
dissolved.
You going next?
It worked. Diamond, stop. Diamond.
It's always that one kid. It's always...
Move your hand. Move your hand. Just move your hand. No, don't finish it. Just move your hand. How old are you again?
That's it. Okay, so it's these little wrappers that we used to have from there. It's these little candy bars that we used to sell at school. And then we used to, after we's done, we used to put it on our teeth because there's like a little bit of foil. And we used to put it on our teeth. Hurry up! We're bald-headed. No edges. No hair.
Does it hurt her edges?
Huh? Said the person that can't talk.
You actually sound a little bit better with it.
Okay. I got these.
Got look tight.
You gotta push it to the bottom and then it will start to. You busted it.
Nah, she was on the side of it. She wasn't.
There you go. Let it go. Oh.
I doesn't want to think.
Huh, put a little more milk. Okay.
Oh, look like.
Alright.
Do I gotta be the
Me
person
next.
who... No, did.
Do this, Sherlock.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
You gotta put the milk in, and then You gotta find your baby spoon.
That's a whole lot of milk.
Then you got
That's gonna overflow.
That's wasted.
So you most likely not even gonna drink that.
No, I'm talking about you putting the milk in there.
Oh.
Now you trying to do it too, huh?
No. I can drink that milk though.
Monkey see, monkey do.
All right, you gonna try it?
Oh yeah. Chocolate milk right there.
It's supposed to be hot chocolate.
Right.
Not like chocolate milk.
Did you even stir it?
Yeah.
I did
Well,
mine.
yeah, hot chocolate then.
I still got a piece of chocolate in there.
Yeah, that sounds so fun.
You sound retarded.
That's us just told me. That's how I used to
Say
sound.
chips. Oh my god.
Yeah, she spit in your cup.
Uh-oh.
Could you go? I am not editing this.
Ew.
All right, you gonna taste this now that you got the foil out of your mouth?
Definitely worth it. You want to be like me so bad.
I see my teeth marks is already in it. You copied it off of me.
It don't look like it.
It's the chocolate.
Good.
They chocolate fans. I'm not that much of a chocolate supporter.
A chocolate supporter, wow.
You gotta deal with the pinky.
Ooh.
Like sometime today.
You gotta drink like this.
Ooh,
I'm already done.
huh?
What's wrong with you?
You been drinking today?
I don't drink.
You smoke?
No.
It's good.
Sorry about all these malfunctions today.
Malfunctions.
Yeah, she can't talk.
So can I just drink
Well, ex-family, so here it is.
Can I drink this milk?
I guess at one of your local grocery stores.
No, you can't.
You can go find that. It's a hot chocolate bomb. So that's what it is. It's rated.
I gave it an 8.
I give it a 10. Well, no, I give it a... Okay, this is what I give it a 9.5. The reason I don't put that 0.5 on it, because them marshmallows were garbage. Absolute garbage.
Okay. Mario, right?
I give it an 8 because it just choked me.
No, you choked me. All right, excellent. Remember, we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you ain't already subscribed, you're a supporter. Make sure you share it across the world. X-Family, we out.
Peace.
Peace.